Let's talk about pollinators and how important they are. Pollinators are small animals like birds, bats, bees, and bugs that like to eat the pollen or nectar found in flowers. Pollen is a healthy food for a pollinator. Pollen looks like tiny yellow grains of sand on a flower. It's sticky. Pollen sticks to the pollinators while they are eating. Pollinators visit many flowers looking for food, and as they move from flower to flower, they carry pollen with them. Flowers then use pollen to make seeds. Seeds grow into fruits and vegetables. Scientists say that 1 out of every 3 bites of food in the United States depends on honeybees and other pollinators. Honeybees pollinate $15 billion worth of crops each year, including more than 130 fruits and vegetables. And it's not just fruits and vegetables. Alfalfa is a plant that requires pollination. Hay is made from alfalfa, and cows eat alfalfa. We get milk and cheese and beef from cows. Without pollinators, we wouldn't have cheeseburgers or tacos. Did you know that the world's chocolate supply depends on bats for pollination? And our morning cup of coffee also depends on pollinators. Cotton comes from a plant that's pollinated by bees. We use cotton to make comfy clothes like jeans and t-shirts. We also use it to make sheets and towels. Pollinators do many things for us. We need to do what we can to help pollinators. There are some easy things that we can do to help pollinators out. We can give them a place to live. You can make a home for birds, bats, or bees and put them in your yard or trees around your house. We can give them something to eat. We can plant native flowers and plants in our yards. Or we can put flowers in a pot on our porch or our deck. And we can put bird feeders in your yard or on your deck. Another way we can help pollinators is by giving them something to drink. We can put a bird bath in our yards and keep clean water in it. Or we can make a bee waterer. Here, I'll show you how. You only need 3 things for a bee water garden: rocks, a shallow pan or bowl, and water. Be sure and wash your rocks with mild soap or with vinegar and rinse them well before using them. Be sure and put your rocks where the bees can get out of the water to stand on them. Bees need a dry rock to stand on to get a drink. Next, place your bee water garden next to somewhere bees might be interested in going, like near some flowers. Be sure and check on your water level. If it gets too low, add some more water to it. If it's too high and the bees can't get out of the water, pour a little bit off. Enjoy! And the most important thing we can do for pollinators is protect them. When you see pollinators like butterflies or beetles or birds, don't touch them or scare them. And try not to use poison sprays in your yard that are harmful to pollinators. Remember, pollinators are a vital part of our everyday life.